Rose loved drawing. She was very poor and didn't have pen or pencil. She drew pictures in the sun. Was sick. One day, an old woman saw Rose and said, "Hello, here are paintbrushes and some paper for you. Thank you." Smiled Rose. She was so happy. What can I paint? She talked. She looked around and saw a duck on the pond. "I know, I will paint a duck." So she just suddenly the duck flew off the paper onto the pond. Was she fast? She made it paintbrush. She was a very kind girl. She said paint picture for everyone in her village. She painted a car for the friend, pressure for the teacher, and toy for children. The king hair for the magic paintbrush, and sandal sword to ring to fry roast. "Come with me," said the sword. The king wanted The king wants you to paint some men for him, but he already reached writers and only paint to help poor people. That's the next thing. Sorcerer took Rose to the king, paid me the tree, with lot of money on it herself. Rose was brave and said no, so the king sent to her to prison. Pastor painted a key for the door and house to help her escape. The king chose a flower, so she painted a picture and spat the king fell in. Today Rose only use her magic paintbrush to help people who really need help. Goodbye.